What's going on, everyone? My name is Carlo and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about and taking a look at the Nike Blazer Mid 77 in the Pacific Blue and Habanero Red colorway. These were a GR, but we won ours from a draw off Extra Butter in New York. And yeah, I guess they're doing raffles on GRs more and more now. So, well, I mean, I don't blame them. The shoe looks really good. So, getting right into it, here is the box. Nice little retro Nike box. I got my true to size and my wife got her true to size as well. But yeah, nothing too crazy. Taking the sneaker out. Here it is. The Nike Blazer Mid 77 in the Pacific Blue colorway. It's a good looking shoe. I can see why they either had to do draws or, I mean, it sold out on sneakers, so. And then here is the Habanero Red colorway. Nothing too crazy, just an all white shoe with a red swoosh, red accents, blue swoosh, blue accents. So yeah, let's dive a little bit deeper into this shoe. Looking at it once again, the whole upper is comprised of a leather. It's a stiff leather, dare I say AGR leather. So it's not the best quality. I mean, the shoes are $100, so you're not breaking the bank, but they are stiff. You do have this like hairy suede on the toe box and on the lateral part of the shoe. Also, not the best suede, but better than others. You have this nubuck swoosh. I'm pretty sure it's nubuck. It's pretty soft. That feels nice to the touch. And going to the back of the shoe, this little patch of leather right here it feels a little bit better than the upper, a little bit softer. Going into the shoe, the lining right here is a nicer leather as well. You have this deconstructed foam tongue. I think that's a cool touch. That's really cool. Going into the laces, just white laces. And then your midsole and outsole are actually an off-white color. So a nice little contrast there, bringing something different to the shoe. And it's the exact same thing on the Habanero Red colorway. It's just your Nike writing and your swoosh are in the red. So yeah, overall, I think the shoe is dope. It's a good looking shoe, super clean. You can't go wrong with all white and then accents of color. The Blazer is a pretty classic Nike shoe. It looks good. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked on these. As far as the fit goes, I got my true to size and I tried them on and they felt a little bit tight. I think maybe once the leather starts to break in a little bit, it'll feel better. I don't know, but my wife got her true to size and she says they fit perfect with a little bit of room. So I mean, all our feet are different, so shoes are gonna fit different to all of us. But yeah, I would say true to size works. Yeah, we'll see. Once they break in, hopefully they fit a little bit better. But yeah, that is it. This is the Nike Blazer Mid 77 Retro in the Pacific Blue and Habanero Red colorway. I'll do it on foot right now, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you like, get notifications if you like, comment, let me know what you think about the shoe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. So yeah, we're gonna talk about the Nike Blazer Retro Mid Blazer 77 Vintage blah blah blah. Oh, it's bright. I should turn down the exposure a little bit and redo this.